Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be explaining how to use Capital Gold in Clash of Clans. First, let's talk about how to get it. You can collect 400 Capital Gold every 24 hours, or you can craft it using Flixer, gold, and other resources. Crafting can take up to 3 days, depending on how many builders you have. You can also earn capital gold through the pass and from the little blimp icon in your capital. So how do you use it? Capital gold is primarily used to upgrade your capital, including your capital hall, spear throwers, mortars, air defenses, cannons and bombs. You can also upgrade your barbarian camps, wizard valley, balloon lagoon, and other troop areas to level up your troops and unlock new units. Essentially, capital gold works like the regular gold and it is used to upgrade buildings, defenses, and troops throughout your capital. That is basically it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.